Can we live on Mars? Mars has always been a fascinating planet for humanity.
The red planet has been the subject of astronomical research and science fiction stories, and the idea of humans living on Mars has always been discussed.
But is it really possible? Let's explore the challenges and possibilities of living on Mars.
Challenges of living on Mars. Mars, while similar to Earth in some ways, presents many obstacles for human life. Its thin atmosphere, freezing temperatures, radiation, and lack of liquid water make it a harsh environment for survival.
Let's look at these challenges more closely.
Atmosphere and oxygen. Mars' atmosphere is made up of 95% carbon dioxide and lacks oxygen.
This makes it impossible for humans to breathe. Oxygen production is critical for survival on Mars.
NASA's MOXIE Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment is working on producing oxygen directly from Mars' atmosphere. As this technology advances, it might be possible to create breathable air on Mars. Temperature and climate. Mars is much colder than Earth. Average temperatures hover around -60 degrees Celsius, with nighttime lows reaching -125 degrees Celsius. These extreme temperatures make survival difficult. To live on Mars, we would need robust habitats with heating systems to keep people alive. Mars' days and years are longer than Earth's, which could affect life cycles. Radiation. Unlike Earth, Mars does not have a strong magnetic field to protect it from harmful solar and cosmic radiation.
This makes long-term survival on the Martian surface dangerous for humans. Radiation protection technologies will be essential to keep future Mars settlers safe.
Water and food. Liquid water doesn't exist on the Martian surface, although there is frozen water at the poles. Water is a vital resource for life, and scientists are exploring ways to extract it from the ice or even Mars' atmosphere. Growing food on Mars would also be crucial, and agricultural systems would likely need to be set up in enclosed habitats to recycle water and nutrients. Human missions to Mars. Mars exploration is no longer just a dream, with several space agencies and private companies aiming to send humans to the red planet. NASA, SpaceX, and other organizations are making strides in making Mars missions a reality. NASA's Mars missions. NASA is working on sending humans to Mars by the 2030s. The space agency has sent several rovers, including Perseverance and Curiosity, to gather information about the Martian surface and prepare for human exploration.
NASA is developing technologies for life support, transportation, and habitat construction that would be necessary for Mars missions. SpaceX and Mars colonization. Elon Musk's SpaceX is one of the companies with an ambitious goal to send humans to Mars.
The company's Starship rocket is designed for long journeys to Mars. Musk envisions a self-sustaining colony on Mars, where humans could live, work, and eventually turn Mars into a backup for humanity.
SpaceX's long-term goal is to make life multiplanetary.
Technologies needed for survival on Mars. Surviving on Mars requires developing technologies to tackle the many challenges of living in such a hostile environment.
Here are some of the key technologies that would be needed.
Oxygen production. With no natural oxygen supply on Mars, oxygen must be created artificially. NASA's MOXIE experiment is a step in this direction, as it demonstrates how oxygen can be produced from Mars' carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere.
Water extraction. Mars has ice reserves that could potentially provide water for human settlers.
Extracting water from the ice or even from the atmosphere could be key to sustaining life on Mars.
Research into this area is ongoing. Energy generation. Mars' energy needs could be met through solar panels or nuclear reactors.
Solar power may not be as efficient on Mars due to the planet's distance from the Sun, making nuclear energy a potential solution.